Hello everyone, myself Sipra Singh. Today I am going to start solving question answer of chapter 1 food for class 7th. Firstly, we solve very short answer type question here, that is name the process by which green plants make their food. Answer is photosynthesis. Question 2. What type of heterotroph is a frog? Answer carnivore. Question 3. What are the small pores on the under the surface of the leaves called? That is stomata. Question 4. What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? That is saprophytic. Question 5. Where does the bacterium rhizobium live? Answer in the root nodules in a legume. Then next question related to short answer questions. Question 1. Why are the animals and humans called heterotrophs? Answer. Animals and humans do not make their own food. They eat the food prepared by plants or eat the meat of the smaller animals. So they are called heterotrophs. Then we come on short answer question. Question 2, that is here. Name the factors which affect photosynthesis. Answer. Photosynthesis affected by a number of environmental factors like light intensity, nature of light, carbon dioxide and water, and temperature. Then we come on next question related to short answer type questions. Name one each of first totally parasitic, second partially parasitic. We come on answer totally parasitic plants Cuscuta, Apodentis, certain bacteria and fungi. Partial parasitic plants Mistletoe, Striga asiatica. Question 4. How are the soil nutrients replenished? Answer. Soil nutrients replenished by using manure, fertilizers and by crop rotation method. Question 5. What is crop rotation? The practice of sowing a cereal crop alternately to a leguminous crop is called crop rotation. Next, related to long answer type questions, that is question 1. What are the functions of food? Answer. Food provides us energy for our daily activities and helps in growth and reproduction. Here, table related to functions of food categorized in three. First, physiological, second, psychological, and third, social. Physiological again categorized into three. First, energy giving, that is carbohydrate, fats, and protein. Second, body building, and third, protective and regulatory, that is vitamins and minerals. Then we come on question 2. What is meant by nutrition? Draw a chart showing classification of the modes of nutrition. Answer. Nutrition, the process of taking food and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Mode of nutrition categorized into two, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Then heterotrophic categorized into following four, that is saprophytic, parasitic, insectivorous and symbiotic. We come on next question related to long answer type questions, that is describe the terms symbiosis, give the name of plants that exhibit symbiotic relationship. Answer. The two plants which live together and mutually help each other are called symbionts. Such relationship of mutually helping each other is called symbiosis. Example, lichen, which is made of alga, autotrophs, and fungus, saprophytic, depend on one another for their nutritional needs. Next, we come on next question related to long. Describe photosynthesis. Name the various factors affecting photosynthesis. Answer: photosynthesis is affected by various factors like light intensity, in which as the light intensity is increased, the rate of photosynthesis increases. Almost of photosynthesis increase almost linearly. At higher light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis becomes limiting. Next, the blue and red regions of visible light are most effective for photosynthesis. Next one, poor availability of carbon dioxide and lowers the extent rate of photosynthesis. Question 4 is describe the role of leaves in photosynthesis. Here, photosynthesis occurs mostly in leaves. The inner structure of the leaf shows two important features. First, presence of chlorophyll containing cells. Second, small pores stomata present under the surface of leaf which help in gaseous exchange. Next, odd one out giving reason. Here, green plants, photosynthesis, producers, carnivore, carbon dioxide. Here, carnivore, flesh-eating animal. This is 2. Starch, iodine solution, stomata, saprophyte. Here, saprophyte, plant that derive their food from dead decaying matters. Third, water, chlorophyll, root hair, carbon dioxide. Root hair helps in water transportation. Fourth, fungi, mushroom, saprophytes, cascata. Cascata is here totally parasitic plant. This is next 5. Manure, urea, ammonium nitrate, rhizobium. Rhizobium is here kind of bacteria. Then we come on higher order thinking skills. Why cannot animal and human make food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light? Because because animals and human beings, they don't have chlorophyll. So animal and human beings don't prepare their own food. Why are question 2, why are the insectivorous plant called parsley heterotrophs? That is here because insectivorous plants depend on host, but they prepare their own food, make their food themselves, but water and minerals obtained from host. Then third, how is the association between fungi and algae beneficial to each other? Answer: algae provide nutrition, fungi provide shelter. So these are beneficial to each other. Next 4. Where does rhizobium live? Rhizobium live in the nodules of leguminous plant. How does it help in help the plants? It convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. What kind of relationship exhibit between rhizobium and the plant? Symbiotic relationship exhibit rhizobium and the plant. Next, that is quick recap. Multiple choice question is here. Question 1, green plants are, that is autotrophs. Here, next, the most effective light for photosynthesis is blue and red. Which of the following will give blue color with iodine solution? That is starch. The gas produced during photosynthesis is oxygen. The mode of nutrition shown by mistletoe is partial parasitic. Then come on, write one word for here. Next, the process of taking food and its utilization by the body is nutrition. An organism which cannot make its food and depend on other for food is heterotrophs. The process by which green plants make their food, that is photosynthesis. The small pores on the under the surface of leaves is stomata. Then fifth, the mode of nutrition in the plants that derive their food from dead and decaying organic matter, that is saprophytic nutrition. Then we come on match the columns. Animals, that is heterotrophs. E, blue and red lights, that is related to A, photosynthesis. Third, autotrophic, related to B, chlorophyll. Fourth, lactobacillus, related to C, saprophytic. And fifth, sundew, related to D, insectivorous. Then we come on next multiple choice type questions. Tick the correct answer. It related to chapter based practice paper. Which part of the plant take up carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? That is here stomata. Amarbeil is an example of totally parasitic. Fill in the blanks. Human beings are omnivores. The rate of photosynthesis depends upon the intensity of light. The small pores on the lower side of leaf are called stomata. Fourth, lichens are a group of plants having composite thallus consisting of alga and fungus. Then fifth, mistletoe is partially parasitic plant. State true or false. Here, blue and red region of visible light are less effective photosynthesis. That is false. Cuscuta is totally parasitic. That is true. Saprophytes are green in color. That is false. Partial parasites make their own food but depend on the host for water and mineral. That is true. The mode of nutrition in lichen is symbiotic. That is true. Then that is finished. Thank you.